Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Now, as a homeowner, when you move in your house, you probably had a lot of trees and plants and weeds that you might not know the name of. I know I did. And so there's an app that I have found recently that is amazing. You can just scan the whatever plant life and it will tell you what it is. And that's how we found out about a lot of the type of weeds in my backyard. So the app is called Picture This, and you just click on it, and it does have a paid version, but I've always used the free version. It works perfect for me, so I'm going to say continue with limited version. And it has some great resources in here, some books, some getting started about plants, but all we want to do is take a picture of something. So I'm going to click the camera here, and let's take these plants right here. So we just get close to the plant, take a picture, and this is lily turf. And it gives you, or monkey grass, which is what we commonly call it, and it tells you all the things that it's known as, and it will give you descriptions and all the information you'd ever want to know about that. Now let's go find some more stuff. Now here's a weed that I have a lot of in my yard, so I'm going to take a picture of it right here, get a nice close-up of it, and this is pony's foot. Now this is a plant that I know has some problematic areas, so we're going to see if it comes up with the name of it, because I actually don't remember the name. So this is sacred bamboo. Is that what we were thinking it was, Mom?
I didn't think so, but it is. I think it's invasive, does it say?
And this will normally tell you if this is an invasive plant. Oh, bright red berries are a key feature of this plant. However, use caution as they are toxic to pets. It's become an invasive species in the forest throughout Southeast America, with Arkansas and Tennessee suffering from severe heavenly bamboo infestations. So it is a problematic...
It is problematic, and it was good that I tried to cut this down, and I tried to cut the berries. That's what this is going to be. Try to cut those out of there.
Now this is a great way of seeing what kind of grass you have if you're not sure and you're about to use like a fertilizer that you need to use on a special grass. And we have St. Augustine grass, and it tells you all the other names of this grass. We've been using this app for a few years and it's really come in handy. That's why we wanted to share it with you today. So if you download this app and find a plant that you've been wondering about, let us know in the comments below what it is, because I'm curious. So thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And I want to thank Mom for handling the camera today. All right, see you later. Bye.
Bye.